Hello everyone and welcome to Full Course Online. In this video, you'll learn how to use track changes in Microsoft Word to review and edit documents properly. First, open the Microsoft Word document that you want to review or edit. Make sure the document is saved before you begin, so changes can be tracked accurately. Now, go to the Review tab on the ribbon at the top of the screen. This tab contains all the tools related to reviewing, commenting, and collaboration. In the Review tab, click on Track Changes. Once this option is turned on, Word starts tracking every edit you make. Now we would do some changes to the document. Try typing some new text. You'll notice that the added text appears in a different color. This shows that the text was inserted after track changes was enabled. Next, delete a word or a sentence. Instead of disappearing completely, the deleted text appears with a strike-through line. This allows reviewers to see exactly what was removed. You can also format text while track changes is on. Changes such as font size, color, or alignment are recorded and marked as formatting changes. On the right side of the document, you may see markup balloons showing details about each change. These balloons indicate who made the change and what kind of edit was done. If the screen looks too crowded, you can control how changes are displayed. In the Review tab, open the Display for Review drop-down menu. From here, you can choose All Markup, Simple Markup, or No Markup. This does not remove changes, it only changes how they are shown on the screen. Once you have reviewed the track changes, you can decide which edits to keep and which ones to remove. To accept or reject a change, first click on the change in the document. Then, in the Review tab, locate the Accept and Reject buttons. Click Accept to keep the change permanently in the document. Click Reject to remove the change and restore the original content. You can review changes one by clicking Accept and move to Next or Reject and move to Next. If you want to accept or reject all changes at once, click the small arrow below Accept or Reject. Then choose Accept all changes or Reject all changes. This is very useful when you have finished reviewing the document and want to finalize it quickly. If this video helped you, like the video and subscribe for more Microsoft Word tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.